Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video, it's going to be about the top 5 of the best backup cameras in 2022. So without any further ado, let's get started. Best overall, Auto-Vox CS2. At first we have the Auto-Vox CS2. This Auto-Vox CS2 is great in overall value. It will give you a lot of handy features for the price. And, being a wireless model, it's relatively easy to install as well. With digital wireless transmission, it can deliver a stable image without any interference from other signals such as Bluetooth. And featuring a PC1058 sensor means this camera can provide you with a vivid picture, which restores what you see behind your car directly. The waterproof standard of this camera is IP68, while the highest and lowest temperature resistance is -4 degrees Fahrenheit to -149 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally, for installation, it offers a suction cup mount that allows you to install the monitor on either windshield or dashboard. And since there is no wire from the monitor to the camera, you can also eliminate the tedious installation process as well. Best wireless, Master Tailgaters. When it comes to the best wireless option, you can never go wrong with this Master Tailgaters. It has an LCD display sensor that can automatically adjust the LCD's brightness to the ambient light. So on bright days, the screen will be brighter, while at night, the screen will be dimmer. Coming in an OEM style, it can give you a sleek and original look, fully complementing your vehicle's interior. And when it comes to it operating, this unit requires a 12-volt power source with a 1099 chip, a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and a high resolution. You won't have to worry about blind spots when you drive. And when it comes to its camera feature, its versatile camera can display backup grids or can be used as a front or back-facing camera with just a simple snip of a wire. And finally, for wireless transmission, its rear-view mirror features a built-in 2.4 GB wireless digital receiver, which connects to the included wireless transmitter. And in addition to that, it has a reliable signal transmission for pictures and video for up to 100 meters in range. And this will help in reducing the number of complicated cables for connecting the backup camera to the mirror for the backup camera display. Best for cars, Pyle PLCM 4550. Next is Pyle PLCM 4550. This backup camera monitor comes with a 4.3 inches LCD mirror monitor screen display and NTSC PAL video system. Starting with its camera feature, it has a rugged backup rear view camera with true color reproduction and video output of 1.0 pp75 ohms. And in addition to that, it also has a low lux performance and a wide viewing angle of 170 degrees, with color image reproduction and auto white balance. For display, as mentioned, it houses a 4.3-inch LCD mirror monitor screen display and NTSC PAL video system. And when it comes to its night vision and waterproof rate, it is IP67 marine grade waterproof to combat bad weather and also has fog resistant and night vision ability. This backup camera also offers an accurate distance scale line display for proper parking and reversing without relying on side mirrors alone. And finally, for installation, it can be easily set up and replaced, as this car rear view camera can even be mounted to the license plate with its slim bar style housing. Best for RV, Furrion Vision S. Next is the Furrion Vision S. This Furrion Vision S 7-inch monitor for RV comes with 3 high-resolution IP65 waterproof cameras with infrared night vision, live streaming, intelligent IR cut filters, and wide viewing angles. With a transmission range up to 492 feet when parked and tested for up to 100 feet at high speeds, these Furrion Vision S camera system is ideal for travel trailers, fifth wheels, or commercial trucks. And when it comes to its wireless transmission, its included 2.4 GHz digital wireless technology will provide a smooth, clear, and uninterrupted live video with no lag. Its digital locking signature will help prevent image interference or image loss while parking or driving, even at high speeds. It also has a motion detector that will alert you of any movement outside your vehicle, while the microphones on the rear and doorway security cameras can pick up sounds, which makes backing up safer. Its Furrion Vision S technology that will get you a coverage of 40 feet of clear, precise, and sharp video even in complete darkness. And with a 120-degree viewing angle for doorway and rear cameras, and 65 degrees for the side cameras, you can get visibility all around your RV to reduce blind spots and makes reversing easier and safer. Best combined dashcam and backup camera, Rexing M2. Lastly, we have the Rexing M2. This Rexing M2 is a dashcam backup camera, Starting with its recording capability, it can capture dual 1080p video with recording from two separate perspectives at the same time by connecting its full HD rear camera to the front camera. And when it comes to its camera will help you monitor your car blind spots using an advanced radar sensor that can also help you change lanes by alerting you when it's safe via its lane change assist features. And in addition to these, this M2 also features a built-in GPS logger, allowing you to mark time, date, location, and speed information to your recordings. For the screen, it has a 12-inch wider live stream rearview mirror, which displays more traffic information in real time and at a wider angle. While for controls with its IPS touchscreen, you can simply operate commands by finger. Now, this backup camera also works as an unattended surveillance guard while the vehicle is off. The dashcam will automatically start recording 20-second video clips when the car encounters a collision, and the video will be kept locked and not overwritten either.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.